Hi everybody, Undead Oracle. So this is day 2 of me working on my friend's Drogon Egg Cup. This is what I've got done so far. Almost done. Almost there. This time around, representing House Stark. So as you can see, as I'm getting closer to the bottom, the red is getting a bit darker. Let's see if I could get better in here. There we go. Looks a little darker toward the bottom. So now what I'm going to end up doing is, well, for one, I'm going to have to mix more of this red clay. But this is going to be the next shade. I know kind of looks brown in that camera. Strawberry? No, it still looks pretty brown. It's a very dark red. Very maroon or burgundy. And then the last couple layers are gonna be mostly black. Let's get going. Crow, your fat head is in the way. What are you doing? Crow, stop. Shoot. No. Crow. Animals. Crow! Crow! You are the worst. Why are you like this? Take a break real quick. Having technical difficulties. Right, we're back. My cat is a little demon sometimes and likes to knock over all my things. Because he's a little brat. I imagine that cats are not too much different than having to deal with dragons. About the same. About the same, I think, except, minus the fire breathing part. But they're both monsters. Especially that little one. So, this is basically what I've been using to kind of keep all the scales together. Now, I've started loosening up the plastic wrap to try and get the cup out. Hopefully, it will come out smoothly, and I won't have to break apart anything. It would be a real pain in the ass to try and get it all back together by hand. Essentially, this is what I do. Get the paste in there real good so that when I fire it in the oven, it creates like a cement kind of bond. That way, when it's actually being used for drinks and has to get washed, there's a better chance it'll stay together. Oops, that's not a good idea. The most tedious part about it is having to sculpt each scale. I can't just cut it out and stick it on because there are rough edges and pieces hanging out. It's not always the same size. There's a lot. I'm quite happy with how this is starting to turn out. I was very worried. Still not sure how the final piece is gonna look. I hope it looks as good as I really want it to. And I hope my friend loves it. See, like there's like rough edges and stuff like that. It's all like crumpled up. So I gotta sit here for like 5 minutes fixing it by hand. Also, super sad, I broke, oh you can't really see it, I broke my stick. Although this side does now help make it easier when I score the back, because it's pointier. But yeah, I broke it. It was not fun. Now the troubling part is trying to hold this without smashing the other scales.